Hi everyone, welcome to TunesKit channel. Apple officially released iOS 26 on the 15th of September, bringing many new features, and the most popular is the liquid glass design. Are you ready to experience it? Before starting, follow these tips. Always back up your data with iCloud or iTunes before any update. Make sure your device is charged above 50%. Ensure a stable internet connection to avoid update failures. Method 1. Update directly on your device. Go to Settings, tap General, tap Software Update. You can set up your iPhone to update automatically. Tap Automatic Updates. Choose the options Automatically Install or Automatically Download. Or you can check for updates manually. If iOS 26 is available, tap Update Now. Enter your screen passcode and wait until the installation finishes. Method 2. Update using iTunes or Finder. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable, and trust this computer. Open iTunes on Windows or Finder on macOS. Select your device, and it will show that a new version is available. Click Update, then follow the on-screen instructions. iTunes will download iOS 26 and just wait for it to finish. Method 3. Update with TunesKit iOS System Recovery. If your iPhone is not showing iOS 26, TunesKit iOS System Recovery is a great choice. First, download and install TunesKit iOS System Recovery on your computer. Launch the software and connect your iPhone via USB. Choose Upgrade, Downgrade iOS, and click on the iOS upgrade. Confirm your device info, choose iOS 26 firmware version, then click Download. After downloading the firmware package, click Start Upgrade to get the iOS 26 without data loss. If you don't like iOS 26 and want to get the former version, you can choose iOS Downgrade to recover it. Please note this will clear the device data, so make sure to back up your iPhone before starting. And that's how you can download and install iOS 26. Whether directly on your iPhone, through your computer, or with TunesKit iOS System Recovery. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and comment below with your favorite iOS 26 feature. Thanks for watching.